हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू एग्जाम वाट। और हमारी एडवेंट ऑफ यूरोपियंस की सीरीज में हम आ गए हैं एक और इम्पोर्टेंट प्लेयर के ऊपर वीडियो लेके। इम्पोर्टेंट प्लेयर और इम्पोर्टेंट यूरोपियन पावर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सी, दैट पावर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट टुडे इज द फ्रेंच. They are very important player in Indian history because they are the only one who have presented a formidable challenge to the Britishers. Okay, so let's go on journey of French East India Company. Colbert, he is a minister under Louis XIV, formed the French East India Company in 1664 CE. Now, the most basic difference between English and French is the English is the private entity and French is the government entity. So that's the basic difference, and we'll see in our live classes how the private and government thing functions. Okay, how this functions and how Colbert and how their functioning differed, and because of those functioning differences, how French was unable to counter the Britishers. Okay, we will see it in a live class because it's a very detailed topic and there are very much analytical thoughts that we have to carry on in this topic. Francis Caron, he established the first French factory in Surat. See, फ्रेंच की फर्स्ट फैक्ट्री, इंग्लिश की फर्स्ट फैक्ट्री, पोर्टुगीज की फर्स्ट फैक्ट्री एकदम रटी होनी चाहिए, ठीक है, कोई नहीं भूलेगा. फ्रांसिस कैरन, नाम भी कोई नहीं भूलेगा. सूरत 1668, ईयर भी कोई नहीं भूलेगा. मरकारा, built a factory at Masulipatam in 1669. मरकारा built factory at मसूलीपट्टनम इन 1669. तो मरकारा को भी कोई नहीं भूलेगा, आई होप कोई नहीं भूलेगा मरकारा को, ऑब्वियसली. प्लीज रिमेंबर द नेम्स. आई नो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फैक्ट लोडेड इन्फॉर्मेशन, बट what can we do? It's the objective type question. You have to remember the facts. Okay. Francois Martin, another name that you have to remember. He created Pondicherry, Fort Louis. See, the forts which are I am mentioning in videos, like the Fort William, Fort St. George, Fort Louis. Please remember these forts. Pondy becomes a station of French Empire for so long. They have strengthened the Pondicherry through their forts. 1673 CE, which later became the seat of the French holdings in India, and he served as its first governor. Francois Martin became the first governor of Pondicherry of French East India Company. So please remember the Fort Louis, Pondicherry, Francois Martin 1673, and the first governor. Okay, the advent of French governor Joseph Francois Duplessis. He is one of the most brilliant governor general that the world has ever seen. But due to government machinery, French government called him back after the first Carnatic War itself. There are some administrative ruckus that was going on in French government. That's why they have called the Joseph Duplessis. That was the most fatal mistake that French government had done, and that one mistake had cost them all the India. That one mistake cost them whole of India, and it had cost us our Indian history, because if Duplessis hadn't called back, he could have changed the whole course of history of not only India but of the world itself. So if the list of greatest blunders in history had been ever made, this blunder will be always counted. This is one of the greatest blunder that any government had caused, because he is one of the greatest, one of the most able generals that the world has ever seen, Joseph Francois Duplessis. Around 1742 CE marked the start of Anglo-French warfare, which culminated in the legendary Carnatic Wars. When in battle, I think I have discussed. If I haven't discussed it, I will upload on Carnatic Wars, because they are very interesting wars. These wars show why India can never be a united state. These wars has shown the European empire that yes, there are fault lines. We have to exploit them. Through exploiting those fault lines, they carved out their empires through exploitation of those fault lines that we have exposed to them. Okay, Pondicherry was established in the year 1674. Caron succeeded as French governor by Francois Martin the next year. Okay, the same point that we have discussed earlier also. Commercial centers, please remember the commercial centers list: Mahi, Karaikal, Balasore and Kasim Bazar. Please remember the commercial centers list. Okay, Franco and Martin again. फ्रेंच बास्टन इन इंडिया पौंडीचेरी. अगर क्वेश्चन आता है व्हाट वाज द फ्रेंच बास्टन इन इंडिया, मसूलीपट्टनम, सूरत, पौंडीचेरी, कड़ाईकल, देन यू आर गोइंग टू आंसर पौंडीचेरी. क्या आंसर करने वाले हैं? पौंडीचेरी. ठीक है. एंग्लो फ्रेंच वॉर इन यूरोप वॉज ट्रिगर्ड बाय द ऑस्ट्रियन वॉर ऑफ सक्सेशन. इट वॉज द कॉज ऑफ द फर्स्ट कर्नाटिक वॉर. द फर्स्ट कर्नाटिक वॉर हैपेंड बिकॉज ऑफ अ कन्फ्लिक्ट गोइंग ऑन इन यूरोप. यूरोप में लड़ाई की वजह से भारत में लड़ बैठे इंग्लिश और फ्रेंच आर्मी. ट्रीटी ऑफ Aix-la Chapelle, which brought the Austrian War of Succession to end, concluded the First Carnatic War. It became clear that Indian authority was no longer required for European success. Rather, Indian authority was growing increasingly reliant on European backing. The point that I have discussed earlier in this video, that Indian power was relying heavily on the European backings. Like those Indian powers which will be backed by the European powers, they only can survive in India. That was the case at that time. Okay, so there was a very heavy reliance on the European powers which had caused us the great India. The French prioritized territorial ambition over business interest, leaving the French enterprise cash strapped. That's the problem with each and every European power except English. They are focused firstly on the trade, then they are focused on the empire building. What are the scene with other European power? Either they were focusing on trade too much or they are focusing on empire building too much. That's the case with the other European powers. So that's the French advent of Europeans. So that's all for your advent of European series. यहाँ पे हमारी advent of European series खत्म होती है. Danish भी आए थे इंडिया में. Danish आए थे पर they have not contributed in any manner to India. So it's not important for your exam also. I will give you Danish. Regarding Danish information, I will upload on I try to upload it on Telegram. Okay, so that's all from my side today. Live batches are going to be live soon, so please do join if you haven't joined them. For regarding any new information regarding live batches, please join the Telegram batch. You will find the link in the description box. So thank you so much for joining with today's session and keep studying. Thank you so much.